Don't be a parrot in life. A parrot talks way too much but can't fly high. But an eagle is silent and has the willpower to touch the sky. Here are the 7 mentalities that we can learn from an eagle. Number 1. Eagles fly alone at high altitude. Eagles don't fly with sparrows, ravens, and other small birds, meaning stay away from narrow-minded people. Eagles fly with eagles. There is a saying that goes like this: the people you hang around will eventually determine the person you become. Keep good company. Number 2. Eagles have vision. They can focus on something as far as 5 kilometers away, no matter what the obstacle. Number 3. Eagles are fearless. An eagle will never surrender to the size or strength of its prey. It will always give a fight. Successful people are fearless. They face problems head-on. Number 4. Eagles are tenacious. Eagles love storms. When clouds gather, the eagles get excited. The eagles use the storm winds to lift themselves higher. Number 5. Eagles never eat the dead things. Eagles never eat dead meat. In other words, an eagle does not scavenge, it only eats the meat of the prey. It kills itself. Meaning, do not rely on your past success. Keep looking to new frontiers to conquer. Number 6. Eagles prepare for training. They remove feathers in soft grass and the nest so that the young ones become uncomfortable in preparation for flying. If they are scared, the eagle tears the nest apart until they learn to spread their wings. This shows that growth only happens when we step out of our comfort zone. Number 7. Eagles possess vitality. When the eagles grow old, his feathers become weak and cannot take him as fast or as high as it should. This makes him weak and can make him die. So he retires to a place far away in the mountains. The eagle's mentality is worth emulating. It is a disciplined life, focused, determined, and relentless in its pursuit of excellence. Just like the eagle, we too can set our goals high and soar to new heights, if we have the right mindset and are willing to put in the effort. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.